Hi all, this is Yana here and welcome to the production log of Funny Legs animation show. Almost 500 people follow my journey now on YouTube and most of you subscribed after my presentation and Blender conference last month. It was a great experience for me and an absolute boost to my project. Thank you all very much for your support, likes and comments. In BCon presentation, I was showing my work in progress, but I never really said much about how I managed to learn Blender from zero to the point when I could start my own production in less than a year. So in the description below you will find the list of my favorite creators who answer tricky questions like how to switch from Maya to Blender for animators or how to build an entire Blender scene from scratch. I also included some grease pencil, rigging and animation tutorials. For me, the hardest part was to learn how to rig. My characters look very simple, so modeling or drawing with grease pencil wasn't that big of a challenge. However, to make them as flexible as possible, I had to build an advanced rig, and here I want to show you something. This is my rigging notebook. I took the course called The Art of Effective Rigging 2 by Pierre Picot, and for several months I was following his videos, writing everything down and creating more and more complex rigs. I'm sure you can learn a lot with YouTube tutorials, but that course just gave me a very deep understanding of rigging process. In my BCon presentation, I mentioned that I found a simple way how to rig the color change, so I recorded my first ever tutorials on this topic, and you will find the links to those videos in the description below, and I will try my best to share more helpful stuff in the future. Talking about the future, I'm working on the next 6 Funny Legs episode. I had to create a lot of props this time, so it's taken me a bit longer with all the rigging, but I love the process and I can't wait to show you the result. Meanwhile, I have something else to show you. My dear friend and colleague noticed that my last episode, Insomnia Has Balls, reminded her of my student short film. It was created in 2018 with Adobe Animate in 2D limited animation technique. It was one of the final tasks of my 2-year animation program and the theme was Robbery. I found a fun twist in this topic and enjoyed playing with the camera the same way I did it in Insomnia episode. So I hope you'll like it. Have a nice creative day and see you soon!
Dig 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 dig.